Food prices are going up. We found this bag of 10 pounds of local potatoes for $1. Can eat a lot for $1 still. So what can we cook with all these potatoes and ground beef and what you see here? Well, we're gonna have this North American dish called shepherd pie. It has nothing to do with shepherds or pie. And the French name is Pâté Chinois, which is Chinese pâté. It's not a pâté and there's nothing Chinese about it. Let's discover how it's made. Goddess, we need you. Oh, so we're boiling the
potatoes and carrots.
Potatoes are about to get hot. Hot potato. Potatoes are done. Now over to the beef. Goddess doesn't like that liquid, so she's removing it. It's very hot.
Oh, can you please bring me the ketchup bottle, please?
Oh, Goddess style. She always puts vegetables. Optional, right?
Yes.
By adding the extra veggies, it makes it a little bit more healthy for someone. You know, like Goddess. So we're gonna start layering it into the dish. We're gonna start with beef. Goddess gonna put corn, and finally the potatoes.
Once you're done layering the beef, cook the corn in the same pot. This one's not for you, okay? It's for someone else.
Just make sure they pay you with egg tarts.
Cook the corn in this.
So you're pressing it really hard.
Yes, so that you can layer it.
Layer the corn and next the potatoes.
Yes, the mashed potatoes. For the corn, the shallots or the onion are optional.
Now Goddess puts on a layer of corn. That one looks ready to go. Can I have my share now?
No.
Is that the one you make for someone?
Yes.
I'm someone.
No.
Someone's not me?
No.
How can that be? So now you're pressing it down.
Making room for the mashed potatoes.
All cooked. Mashed potatoes. We having turkey?
Some parsley. A little bit of milk. Any kind of milk will do. Taste for salt and pepper to your liking.
Is that all? So little. How can I taste? Yes.
Perfect, let's bake it.
Shepherd pie for my birthday? People get shepherd pie on Wednesday.
Says who?
That looks good now. Oh, and you left me some mashed potatoes. So,
Yes.
what do we do now?
Bake it until it's brown.
And then we can have it.
That.
Unfair.
Please subscribe.
Ooh, that looks nice. Fancy. What a brand. So, it's all ready now. Look at that. 3 huge shepherd pie.
Wow, it looks like a real cake. Except it's with beef and vegetable.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're missing.
I thought we were giving away the small one.
No, it's the big one.
Nice crust on it. Alright, ready to transfer? Cause I'm ready to eat. Wow.
Oh, mommy.
Look at that. Looking good. First piece is always the hardest. Some of us put ketchup. It's so good.
It is very tasty.
I think I'll just continue eating. On to the second plate now. Good to the last spoon. I'm having cabbage on the side instead of ketchup. Really good. I'm not sure if they make this everywhere else. I think just here in your igloo. This is easy to make, so don't forget. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.
All right, so here it is, warmed up. Let's just take the first little bite from the top, and I have ruined it already. But that's okay. Soy sauce really adds a next level kick to a lot of dishes. This is really good. I might go for a third serving. Thank you. Subscribe.
Oh, goody. Breakfast. And I'm hungry. Look at that, how pretty that plate is. Oh, wait a second. That's a big G on it. I bet you that's Goddess's plate. Yeah, and she likes it with lots of vegetables, so that's probably something she made for herself. Well, but she's sleeping now, so I guess I could have it. I don't think she'll remember. All right, now all I need is a spoon. Quiet.
Go get your tickets and let's get this party started!
Wow, is that Pâté Chinois or shepherd's pie?
Chinois.
Oh my god. This is like beyond Saint Hubert. I don't know how the Quebecers compete with this. I really don't. Wow.
Okay.
Look at that texture.